Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Tamkeen Abid. Welcome to online sports program 2020-21. Today we will discuss about Planck's quantum theory. This theory was proposed in 1900 to explain the nature of light. The main points of this theory are emission or absorption of light is not a continuous process. It is emitted or absorbed in the form of wave packets or quanta. If light is a source of energy, then quanta are called as photons. Right, students, we already know about emission and absorption of energy that take place when electrons moves or electron change their cell from lower to higher, from higher to lower. In both this process, energy is either absorbed or released, but according to this theory, that release or emission is not a continuous process. It is emitted or absorbed in the form of wave packets or quanta. If we use light as a source of energy, then these are called as photons. Next point of this theory is the energy associated with photons is directly proportional to frequency. Frequency in this case is represented as mu. How we relate it mathematically? Let's take it with another page. Like we have energy represented as E, that is directly proportional to frequency. Now if we remove the sign of proportionality, which relates E is equals to h mu, right? H is Planck's constant and its numerical answer is 6.634 into 10 is power minus 34 joule seconds. So here we have equation number 1. So second mathematical point of Planck's quantum theory. Okay, next we have third point. A body emit or absorb energy in the terms of integral multiple of quanta. Students already see this. E equals to h mu. There we have equation number 1. This one, equation number 1. इस इक्वेशन में हमें थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है. E equals to h mu multiply by some number, maybe 1 2 3. This is integral multiple of quanta. This is our third point. We have many other relations, we can relate energy with frequency, we can relate energy with wavelength, we can relate energy with wave number. So all of these will be discussed on next page. Like, let me fix that page. Okay, here we have a fine situation. We already write equation number 1. E equals to h mu. This is our equation number 1. Students, we already know that frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. Like frequency is inversely proportional to lambda. So removing the sign of proportionality, that means that frequency is equal to c over lambda, where c equals to speed of light and its numerical answer is 3 into 10 is power 8 meter per second. So putting the value of frequency in equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, putting this value into this. So E equals to h, and mu, we have to find the value of frequency, which is c over lambda, right? So new equation becomes E equals to hc over lambda, where h and c are constant values, so we can relate energy with lambda, and that relation is E is inversely proportional to wavelength. Okay, students, we already have an expression that wave number is reciprocal of wavelength, or lambda equals to 1 over wave number. Wave number is number of wave passing through a distance of 1 meter, right? So we can exchange uh, 1 over lambda with the wave number in equation number, let's suppose equation number 3. So equation number 3 becomes E equals to hc 1 over lambda is replaced by wave number. So this is our final mathematical form in which we have relate energy with wave number, where h and c Planck's constant and speed of light is already a constant value. So student, we have derived three mathematical relations. E equals to h mu, here E is directly proportional to frequency. Then we have E equals to hc over lambda, where E is inversely proportional to lambda. Then E equals to hc wave number, and here energy is directly proportional to wave number. So these are mathematical form. These three things, these three equations are used in numerical problem also. So students, if you have any confusion about this mathematical relation, you can ask on WhatsApp group. Thank you. Stay at home, be safe. Assalamu alaikum and Allah Hafiz.